Hello friends, in the last video we discussed about jet parameters. In this video we will go to do one problem on jet parameters. Okay, let's see the problem. Obtain the jet parameters for the given two-port network. Here they given a two-port network. Now we need to find the jet parameters for this two-port network. Okay. First observe the input voltage of the two-port network is V1 and the input current of two-port network is I1 and the output current is I2, output voltage is V2 and this loop current is I3. They are already given. First write the standard equations of the jet parameters. Jet parameter standard equation is V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. This is equation number 1 and V2 equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. This is second equation. First we need to form the equations is in the form of V1 and V2. Okay. Here see, these are the standard equations of the jet parameters. Now we need to find the Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22. Okay. In order to find these unknown impedances, first let's apply mesh analysis or KVL in these loops. First apply KVL in loop 1. In this loop apply KVL. Here the voltage, total voltage is V1 equal to, and voltage across this resistor is 4 into I1 minus I3. 4 into I1 minus I3, that is equal to 4I1 minus 4I3. That consider this is the equation number 3. And now apply KVL in this loop. Okay, apply KVL in loop 2. Okay, here observe there is no voltage source, that's why we need to consider the voltage across the resistors only. First the voltage across this resistor is 2I3 plus voltage across this resistor is 8 into I3 plus I2, because I3 current and I2 current are in same direction, that is 8 into I3 plus I2 plus 4 into I3 minus I1, because I3 and I1 are in opposite direction. 4 into I3 minus I1 equal to 0. Next 2I3 plus 8I3 plus 8I2 plus 4I3 minus 4I1 equal to 0. And rewrite this equation: minus 4I1 minus 4I1 minus 4I1 plus I2 terms are only one I2 terms plus 8I2 plus 8I2 plus I3 terms are 2I3 plus 8I3 10I3 plus 4I3 14I3 equal to 0. Consider this equation number is 2. Okay, now let's apply KVL in the last loop, that is apply KVL in 3, that is V2 equal to 8 into I2 plus I3. V2 equal to 8I2 plus 8I3. Consider this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4 and this is equation number 5. Okay, here we can get 3 equations, 3, 4 and 5. From these 3 equations we can obtain Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22. Let's consider these 3 equations: third equation, fourth equation, 5 equation. We know according to jet parameters V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2 and V2 equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Here we have V1 equation and V2 equation, but consider here I1 is there but there is no I2 is there. Here I3 is there, and also here I2 I3 is there, but instead of I3 instead of I1 here I3 is there. That's why first we need to replace this I3 in which either I1 and I2. Okay, first simply remove this I3. How we can replace this I3 means, consider the fourth equation. From 4, consider this fourth equation, that is minus 4I1 plus 8I2 plus 14I3 equal to 0. Here we need to find I3, that's why 14I3 equal to, okay, from this equation 14I3 equal to, move these terms to this side, that is we can get 4I1 minus 8I2. Now we need to find I3, that's why I3 equal to, move this 14 into this side, 4 by 14 I1 minus 8 by 14 I2. Okay, this is the I3 equation. Let's consider this is the equation number 6. Now we simply substitute this I3 equation in V1 and V2. Okay, first substitute I3 equations. Substitute I3 in equation number 3, that is this equation. In equation number 3, that is this equation. Okay, V1 equal to 4I1 minus 4I3. In place of I3 simply substitute this thing, that is 4 by 14 equal to 2 2s are 2 7s are, that is 2 by 7 I1 minus 2 4s are 2 7s are 4 by 7 I2. And let's simplify this. V1 equal to 4I1 minus 4 2s are 8 by 7 I1, minus into minus will become plus, 4 into 4 16 by 7 I2. Okay, here this equation. Now consider V1 equal to 4I1 minus 8 by 7 I1. Take common I1, that is 4 minus 8 by 7 into I1 plus 16 by 7 I2. 16 by 7 I2. Okay, simplify this equation. V1 equal to 2 4s are 7 4s are 28, 28 minus 8 20, 20 by 7 I1 plus 16 by 7 I2. Okay, let us assume this is equation number 7. Now compare this equation to this equation. Here V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. Here also the same form, V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. When compare this equation to this equation, then we will get Z11 and Z12. That is Z11 equal to 20 by 7 and Z12 equal to 16 by 7. Okay, two parameters we get. Now we need to find two more parameters, that is Z21 and Z22. Okay, here we got Z11 and Z21. Now we will go to find Z21 and Z22. Z21 and Z22 is finding by using this equation, this fifth equation, because V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Okay, that is the main form. Now let's consider this fifth equation, that is V2 is equal to 8I2 plus 8I3. We know I3, in place of I3 we have a equation, that is I3 equal to 14 by 4, that is 2 by 7 I1 minus 4 by 7 I2. In place of I3 simply substitute that equation, 8I2 plus 8 into I3 means 2 by 7 I1, 2 by 7 I1 minus 4 by 7 I2. Okay, now let's see. V2 is equal to 8 I2 plus 8 2s are 16, 16 by 7 I1 minus 8 4s are 8 4s are 28, not 28, 32 by 7 I2. Okay, that is V2 equal to 16 by 7 I1 plus 8 minus 32 by 7 I2. Okay, now let's see. V2 equal to 16 by 7 I1 plus 8 7s are, what is 8 7s are? 8 7s are for, I think here 8 7s are 56, and 56 minus 32 by 7 I2. Here compare this equation, that is consider V2 equal to 16 by 7 I1 plus 56 minus 32, that is 24 by 7 I2. Now compare this equation with the standard equation, that is V2 equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Here in place of Z1 what we have? 16 by 7, that is Z21 equal to 16 by 7, and in place of Z22 we have 24 by 7, Z22 we have 24 by 7. Okay, in this paper we already get Z21 equal to 20 by 7 and Z12 equal to 16 by 7, and here we get Z21 equal to 16 by 7 and Z22 equal to 24 by 7, and the complete equation is Z11 Z12 Z21 Z22 equation equal to, what is Z11? Z11 equal to 20 by 7, Z11 equal to 20 by 7, and what is Z12 equal to 16 by 7, 16 by 7, and Z21 equal to 16 by 7, Z22 equal to 24 by 7. These are the Z parameters. This is how the Z parameters are finding by using the two-port networks. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video.